Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be unboxing the NECA Friday the 13th Part 7 New Blood Ultimate Jason action figures. So, as we see here, I have the box. So, in front, it shows logo Friday the 13th, Part 7, The New Blood. On Friday the 13th, Jason is back, but this time someone's waiting. We see Jason's hockey mask, and I believe this is Tina, I think. We have a knife here with some blood on the side. On the side of the box, it shows NECA Real Toys, Friday the 13th, Part 7, The New Blood, and we see a face of Jason. Okay, and then on the other side, the same thing, okay? So, and on the back over here, it shows everything we need to know. Here we have a few shots of Jason himself. What's included over here, a few shots. On the back it says, "There's a curse in these woods, Jason Voorhees' curse. They say he died as a boy, but he keeps coming back. Few have seen him and lived. Some have tried to stop him. No one can. He's out there, waiting." On the other side, it's the same thing on both sides. On the bottom, we just got blah, 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 barcodes and stuff like that. And on top, it's the same thing, ages 17 and up, warning, choking hazard, blah, 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 right? And inside, we can open it, so we get this cool shot of Jason. And then over here, if I can see it properly, there's the figure itself, if you can see it. So let's unbox this guy so you can see a better look at him. Okay, so we're gonna cut that with our scissors and open the top part. Wait. Okay. So inside, there's a cardboard backdrop, so we're gonna remove it. Here's the figure itself. Now we're gonna move that aside. I think there's a cardboard backdrop. No, it's just fully black, I think. Nope, there is a cardboard backdrop of the camp. I'm just gonna keep it there for now. So we can move this. If you can see it, I'm not sure you can see it due to the light, but hold up. If you can see it, there should be, it shows the docks, Camp Crystal Lake docks. So we're going to move that to the side. Sorry. Right. So now let's look at everything we have here. So first, let's see if I can get everything out. So first up, here's the figure itself and all the accessories that come with him. Here we have this, a bushwhack, I think this is called, something like that. Over here we have this hockey mask that splits into two for another accessory piece, which is for this head sculpt, which is a screaming Jason head sculpt. So pop that out. As we see here, cool, there's a peg on the back. So if we take this, a bit flimsy, there's a peg here. Put the peg in, and here we go. We have a screaming Jason when the mask breaks. So that's cool. You can put that on the side. Then next thing that comes included for this one, I need to use my scissors to I'm not gonna try to scratch the paint here. Get it out. Nope, still in. Okay, this is gonna take a little bit of time, but Okay, this thing is a bit tight. Hold up. Okay, I got one of them out. And as for the other, see if I can. Okay, removed one tag. The other one though is still there, so okay. Okay, got that. So here we have a bush cutter with the spinning blade. You know, that's cool. And I just like admire all the detail that's on this. So here we have that. Okay, I think I might have this to the side a bit. Nope, nope. I think, yeah. Ah. So there's that. There's a cap on this. Yeah, and then over here, there's a little cap for his two grabbing hands. So let's see if I can put it up. Yep. So there's those two. And then on the other side, there's a cover for all the other items. For example, a big kitchen knife, a axe, his iconic machete, and last but not least, a bloody tent stake. And on top here is a sickle as well. See if I can get that out. Yep. So here he also has this sickle. Cool. And then finally, let's see if I can get the main man himself out of the packaging. If I can, hold up. I can try to... The wires here, nope. I think I have to manually cut them from there. Risky though. It doesn't split open, I believe. Nope, I have to open everything. Yeah, I have to open from the back side. Okay, this is gonna take a little bit of a while to actually open this. These tabs in the way of actually, hold up, let's see if I can, no, it'll scratch it, okay. I'll be back real quick to open this up off cam, so see you next time, I guess.